Hello everyone, hope you're alright. In today's video, I'm going to show you the progress of my sunflowers. I started these sunflowers from seeds indoors in April, and then I transplanted them outside as seedlings in June in this big container. Many people were surprised to know that sunflowers could be planted in containers because they are huge plants, and they wanted to know about the progress of sunflowers. So here I have made this video. So they started blooming in the beginning of August. I shared a picture of first couple of blooms on my Facebook page, my Instagram, and as well as community post on YouTube, and they were really big beautiful blooms. They have been blooming since then, and after that it got really windy and stormy here, and you can see there are a couple of branches which have been broken during the wind. There's one here which I have put on the side to show you. So it was really nice big bloom, and the branches got broken. I'm salvaging them to collect the seeds. So I have already cut a couple of branches and put them in my greenhouse so they dry out, so I can collect my seeds. So basically you can see they have grown huge. They are 6 to 7 feet tall. I'm supporting them with a cane as well as the fence I have got behind them, and they are blooming really beautifully. Some of them are stronger than the others. I have got like 10-11 plants in this container, and one of them has got multiple blooms. Some has got only one bloom per plant, and some has got multiple blooms. So you can see this one has already done blooming, and in fact it's ready to collect seeds. So I'm gonna collect seeds as well in this video, so I will show you how to collect seeds. So you can see there are many side blooms coming as well, but they are small, and I'm not sure whether they would make it because our weather is very unpredictable. Sometimes it gets too hot, sometimes it gets too cold and stormy as well, and like it's September and it's already getting very cold. So sunflowers like lots of sunshine and hot weather, and basically they perform well if it's nice hot weather, and they need consistent watering. I have been watering them consistently because they can dry out really quick if you plant them in container, because there are like 10-11 plants in this container. This is a big container, but they like need lots of water. So if it's raining continuously, they are happy in the sense that they are getting water. But if it gets dry, then I water them every day. I have been feeding them like once a month, but sunflowers don't really need any feed. They can survive without feeding, but I think if they are in containers, it's better to feed them because they are not going to get anything from the ground. So they are only dependent on whatever you can give them, like water or the nutrients. So you can grow sunflowers in containers if you are short of space, but they will need much more maintenance, like in terms of watering and feeding. Other than that, they are really beautiful. So here I'm going to collect my seeds. These are the sunflower heads which I harvested a couple of weeks ago, and they are nice and dry now, so I can collect my seeds. Basically you can leave them on the plant if you live somewhere dry, so they can dry up and then you can harvest your seeds. But as I said, we live in a very wet climate. The weather is really unpredictable, and if I leave them on the plant, they get moldy, so I don't want to risk losing them. So I harvested them and kept them in my greenhouse where it's nice, sunny and dry. So here you can see I'm removing the top layer of flowers. Basically the sunflower has got a huge cluster of small flowers um, at the top of the seeds, so they are dry now, so I'm just removing them. If they are not fully dry, they will be hard to remove. So here I'm just like rubbing my thumb on the head of the sunflower, and everything is coming off really nicely, and then you can take the seeds out. So the seeds are really nice and big. You can easily take them out with the help of your fingers. The seeds which are fully mature are nice and plump with a thick coating, but the seeds which are not ready are not fully developed, are like very thin and they feel like hollow. So you can feel the seeds. If they are nice and plump with thick coating, they are fully mature and you can save them. The seeds which are like very thin or are not fully developed, you can take them out. So basically that's how you can save your seeds. Here I have got two varieties of sunflower. So one sunflower has got like white seeds and the other has got these black seeds. So the sunflower with white seeds had all yellow petals, and the sunflower with black seeds had like tinge of black on the petals as well as on the center. So here you can see they are nice and ready as well. So I'm taking them out and I'm gonna collect all my seeds. So sunflower seeds are really easy to harvest as long as they are fully dry and mature, and you don't have to harvest all the seeds because there are plenty of seeds. Like when I bought these seeds, there were only 10-11 seeds per pack, and here I have got like at least hundreds of seeds in these sunflower heads, and still I have got plenty of blooms on my sunflowers, which I'm gonna leave for the birds and wildlife. So basically you can see these seeds are nice and ready, so I'm gonna collect them. So I'm done collecting all my seeds, and you can see there are hundreds of seeds here, and they are really nice and big seeds. So I'm gonna save them in a Ziploc bag. You can save them in a plastic bag, paper bag, Ziploc bag, as long as they are fully dry. You need to label them if you have more than one variety of plants, and put the date on so you know when you collected them. And you can keep them in a cupboard where it's nice and dry and not humid, so they will stay nice and well for you like a couple of years. And they are easy to germinate, easy to grow. I am sure if you grow sunflowers you will be amazed by the results. And now you know you can grow the sunflowers in containers and as well as in the ground. So, and you can collect your own sunflower seeds. So I have got a full playlist about growing sunflowers on my channel. I will include the link in the description box if you are interested to learn more about growing sunflowers. So hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please give it a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so you don't miss out on any of my gardening videos. You can also join my channel for extra perks. Thank you very much for watching today. See you next time. Bye.